Okay, I hope everybody, let me just do a quick sound check test. Okay, great. So I wanted to record a quick video for you guys that aren't using a broker yet. But want to get started with the methods that Mitch and I use to build the trades. Okay, so let me show you a few of you. I have showed a website called TradingView. So you go to your browser, just type in either Google it or go to tradingview.com. And hopefully I'm not logged in. Okay, I'm not. So great. So you get to this main page. This looks confusing, right? And I'm going to say products. Let me say one thing real quick, actually. The only thing you should give these people is your email address. So like, don't buy anything. Don't give them any money. Don't buy a blessed thing. If you guys started working with me yet, I always say we won't ask you to spend another dollar if you're trading your own money. So go to products, click Chart Plus, and let me show you what happens. And I believe the default is a candlestick chart. So they should have something else. I looked at use this one on a call with one of my new students, Benny, the other day. So we'll type in, you click the corner thing there, and then you'll see it has stocks. So type in a stock, I was talking to Benny and I told him just trade what's in the Dow 30. And if you're in my program, you get a list of that, but that's a Google search away, right? So here's Apple, right? This is a 5-minute chart. So symbol first, type in a symbol, then in the time frames, each candle being a 5-minute. Really don't, a lot of you guys really aren't trading 5-minute charts unless you're doing some day trading, which, so you could either do, where's the day? It's interesting. When they get rid of, oh, it's there, okay. Do where each candle's a day or an hour or something like that. 5 minutes probably too noisy for a newer trader. And then, so let me go back. Let's do a 1-hour chart, right? So this is all here. And then you want to pick out something that looks like a zone that we discuss in our coaching calls or in the group sessions or in the video course we release, all that kind of good stuff. So each of these candles is 1 hour, right? So remember, just to repeat, symbol, I put in the symbol, and then the time frame is right there. Now let me get to the drawing tools. Drawing tools are what these are on the side here, right? So when I click here, see where it says trendline tools, the only thing you're going to need on this one is the horizontal line. So click there, right? And let's say you think, let's just say you think there's a zone right there, right? See how I put that blue line on there? Okay, and then you just click it again, and you can do the front line there. Should always be 2 lines on everything you do, too, right? So the front one is for your entry, the back line is for your stop loss, just so we're clear. And this isn't a good zone, so just I'm using this for demonstration purposes only, right? And if I want to make this a little bit bigger, you see how these little controls at the bottom show up? So if I want to make it a little bit bigger, see how it just got wider? And then if I want to move it over, because you don't want to be at the right edge right there, just move it over like this, okay? And then if you want to use the, you know how I always put the yellow, like in toss, all my stuff has the yellow box on it. So you want to do that, just see the paintbrush there, and you can use the rectangle or the circle, but I use the rectangle, right? And then right there, see how I just drew it on there? So then when you do that, this is how you practice, the wax on, wax off, getting the basics right. So highlight it. That should be enough to get you started to start forming some confidence. The next thing I want to show you is the screenshot feature they have. You see here, they have a picture. What it says, take a snapshot, or a picture of a camera, excuse me. So click there. You see a save chart image, copy chart image, copy link to chart image. Depending on how savvy you are, so let's see what that does. I should copy a link, and then you can email me the link or put it in Slack if you're there. But if you're just talking to me, take the link, email it to me. So I'll evaluate your work. If you're just getting used to this, just get used to it, okay? You want to start practicing sooner rather than later to put your the coaching you're getting from Mitch and I into practice, okay? So it should be an image. The last thing I want to say, I believe the default is candlesticks, but if it's not, right, where it's a symbol, time frame, And then that picture of candles, it may be something like this, looking like a line chart. Well, you click the line there, then it'll put the candles in there. So everything's fairly self. You just got to get a feel for it, right? So let me repeat what I did there. First, you go to tradingview.com. Okay, there's TradingView, right? There it is. Click products. Chart Plus will come up. Click that. When I use Thinkorswim, but Thinkorswim is going to take a little while to learn. I think you're better off just sticking with something. If you're just in the learning stage and in a rush to make money, use TradingView to get started. Okay. The drawing tools you're going to need are where that little thing is right there. Horizontal line, and then it'll put a horizontal line on there for you. Okay, I think you got to click it twice to put the second one, right? Okay. You need the paintbrush, so click the paintbrush. There are the tools, rectangle, like so. All right. And then the last thing you need to be able to do is take a screenshot of it. You're going to save the chart image as a file or get the link. But each time it generates a link, you got to send me that link, right? I don't want to go into my email because I'm not sure what I have up. But then you take some text will show up. Let me grab that. Show you what comes up right like that. So if I click like this, say TradingView, that comes up with it generates you a unique link. So I'll be able to open that and take a look at like what you've done and see if it's any good. All right, I'll give you feedback. All right, so hopefully this is enough and you'll understand it. If you have any questions about TradingView, you know where to find me. Just either reply as email, call me, text me. But this will get you started with charting if you don't already have a brokerage account or you just don't like using the charts. Some are a little bit harder to use. So that should get you started, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.